I'm inspired to understand that you are not limiting yourself to the gradual objective of upgrading. So my major concern is the domestic utilization. When we must be able to take out the flaring and convert potential environmental liability to what could be strategically and economically beneficial to the consumers in the Republic. Yes, you are doing great to really want the revenue up and taking advantage of international, interest to build up what Nigeria might deriving benefits, but help us back home. I enjoy the teamship and the way the LNG is going, and you all as team leaders, you are giving value to what was the initial objective of the company. Any other incentive that might be necessary to stimulate growth and expand your capacity, I will be willing to do that. We look straight far into the future. I believe that this country has what it takes. But whatever assets that we have in the ground is nothing unless it's brought up to service the economy, the people, and realization of a good return on investment. So I don't see any other way to slice it but to work hard to encourage and incentivize your team to achieve more for the country. I think that is the primary focus. But just think of people, the need for domestication of some of these LNG requirements and pricing mechanism that ordinary man will feel